It's mail time.
Mail time.
Mail time. Mail time. Mail time. The mail's here. Say this. Say go DJ. Cause that's my DJ. Say go DJ. Cause that's my DJ. Say go DJ. Cause that's my DJ. Say go DJ.
What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Big Mike. I am back with another video. I promised y'all that I would bring back another go back and get them vid. This is exactly what this is. But this is not just any shoe. This is like, to me, a shoe that's up here. That I needed, that I wanted. When this shoe first came out, I really loved this shoe. And this is actually a silhouette that I don't have in my collection. So this is one, probably the last of this silhouette that I'll have in my collection. Well, maybe one more. But it's just, if y'all remember my collaboration videos, it was one of my favorite collabs with Jordan brand. So it is the collaboration shoe. Gave you a hint right there. So here we go. We're gonna get into it. Oh, and on the video today, sorry baby. On the video today, I have my daughter, my beautiful daughter. She wanted to sit in on video with daddy, so little daddy dark side. Yeah. And she's gonna give her honest opinion about what she thinks about the shoe. She's never seen the shoe, which makes it a real honest opinion about the shoe. All right, so we're gonna unbox this thing. These things are fire, fire and desire.
Oh my gosh.
Be careful. Let me help you out there. And I think you, baby. Sing, baby. You the singer, I'm not. Where do you think she got it from? But anyways, might have to bleep that scene out. Anyway, here these things go. Here's your box. If you can guess what it is, you ain't got to guess, man. If you're a sneakerhead, you know what this is. Here's your box. Beautiful box. Since you already seen the box, it's not the Arctic orange pair, as you know. It's not the cream pair. Do you know what it is? Can you
The
guess?
red pair.
No. See,
It's not the red
she
pair?
has no idea what kind of shoe this is. But read right there. What's it say?
Just on.
Just done. Action. Yeah, got the gold and red box. Size 14 of these, because you know, twos. I mean, I'm going off what my boy Rob told me. He tried on some shoes and they were kind of snug, so I kind of went up a size. I ain't gonna tell you what I paid for these. I had to pay some dough for these, but anyway.
You did?
Yeah, I had to pay some dough for these. Anyway, it comes with the exactly like I read up on. Looked at some, I did my research. It comes with the dust bag, and the shoes actually come inside the dust bag, which is dope. And it's supposed to have like a Jordan pin. What is it? Little Jordan 24 karat gold plated wing pinnacle pin and a sticker wing. Damn it, I can't even talk today. A wing, whatchamacallit, to hang off the shoe. But anyways, let's get in these things, man. Get in these things.
Oh, they're blue.
Yeah. Like that.
Like that.
Ah. Alright. What these things are. Magnificent. Smurf blue. Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf action. Here, and since I got the beard like Papa Smurf, you know. But anyways, anything else coming in the box? Oh, sticker. We got the little sticker, little green quality check sticker inside the box. And at the top of the box, you got Beaverton, Italy, Chicago, just done. That's the little stamp there. Then you got, I guess it tells about the shoe and about. Oh, it tells about, what does it tell about? Born and raised in the South. Oh, it tells about done. Okay. All right. Okay. This shoe was actually created from some type of purse. I think a purse from Italy. Some kind of woman's purse that costs like a lot. I think what? I don't want to get the price wrong, but I think it said for 5,000. It could either be 5,000 or it could even be 50,000. I can't remember. It's got a 5 in it.
Who would buy a purse that costs that much?
Women, rich women buy purses that cost that much.
I wouldn't buy a purse that costs
Well, if you
that
know what I
much.
spend on these shoes, you probably be like. But anyways, don't tell your mom. But anyways, we ain't gonna tell the missus what I spent on this shoe. I ain't gonna tell you because I know you would tell her.
No, I won't.
Anyways, got the Just Done 2s, man. I'm excited about this shoe. This is dope. And these things are fire. You feel how soft it is, baby. See, this is what it's known for. The quality. See, Don C originally makes hats. And his hats are expensive. They're like $600, $700, $800 a hat. A cap. All kind of hats. Got gator skin and whatever kind of skin, leopard skin. Probably every animal out there Don C has probably used it. You're an animal lover, don't you?
Yeah.
Sorry. Man, anyways, these things are dope, man. I really appreciate the person I got these from. I don't know him personally, but I appreciate the price. And I had to have these things, man. This is my only 2 in my collection. My first 2. Expensive 2. A luxury 2, if you will. Some heat. Comment down below if you think these aren't heat, because I want to know why. What do you think about the shoe? And they want to know why. They want to know what you think about the shoe. And you're not in the shoe, so first sight, do you like them?
No.
You don't like them?
No.
Okay, why do you not like them?
Cause I don't think I like 2s at all. It's just
You don't like the model.
yeah. It's just the way they are. They look weird.
Right?
Yeah.
But it comes with the dust bag. Does that make you feel better? It comes with a dust bag made of Latin sheepskin. Egyptian cotton. I'm just joking. I don't know what it's made of. I'm just trying to make it sound better. It comes with this Pinnacle dust bag, man. Which is dope, by the way. It is dope. You've seen one dust bag, you've seen them all. You've seen plenty of daddy's dust bags, I know. Even my shopping bags, they come with the other Pinnacles that I got over hang on the door that I don't use. Anyway, so this is started over there. Take his out. These things are basically brand new though. He wore them 2 to 3 times. I thought it was a lie. I thought I was gonna have to send the shoe back, y'all. But he really wore them 2 or 3 times, and I appreciate you, brother. Father, whatever. For this shoe, this is so dope, man. I'm excited. Y'all can tell that I'm getting my energy back a little bit, feeling a little better. Still got a cough. Working on that. But I feel better, man. Behind the left shoe, you got Just Done in red and gold letter. Inside, you got the Just Done sticker. And it's got this nice pillow top on the outside. Also in the inside, which is soft. The whole shoe, the quality, y'all, just nice.
It is soft.
And feel the suede, honey. It's just like, golly, it's like rubbing a baby's bottom for real. No exaggeration. The suede is like rubbing a baby's. This is pretty nice, man. You got the gold Nike in the back. And then the color of the blue that just pops I'm telling you, when I wear these, they're gonna pop. I might wear them to Sneak Fest. I'm not sure. It's just dope, man. This is actually like paper, flimsy, so I will be taking that off. But the suede and the quilted leather on these are just, I mean, banging. I mean, man, come on. I mean, just look at the plushness on this shoe. And I've held the cream pair. Remember the cream pair?
Yeah.
I've held those, actually, at sneaker cons. And they don't feel anything like these. So it comes with this 24 karat gold plated wings pin in the bag. It also has the Jordan symbol on the bag, which is dope. And this is just as soft as the other shoe. I just wanted to feel it. Behind the tongue. Behind the tongue on this shoe, I'm excited. Behind the tongue on this shoe, she gets on to me all the time, y'all, because I get excited for kicks. Behind the tongue on this one, it has the 23 with the red tag and the 23 gold stitching. Beautiful. Has the gold lace tips on them things. They still smell good. Remember when you said what they smell like? What did you say they smell like when we first bought them? You said they were smelling like they coming through the box.
Yeah.
What did it smell like? Just so they know.
Oh, I thought they smelled like cocoa.
Cocoa butter! For all us black people, you know what cocoa butter smells like. Alright, man. You got the bottom of the shoe, which is blue, with that red Jordan going down, which actually pops. I got my red bottoms now, ladies. I got my red bottoms. But anyways, these things right here are just luxury, man. The way it looks, it just screams a luxury shoe. So I had to go back and get them. Great Jordan 2. Final thoughts?
I wouldn't get these.
You wouldn't cop?
No.
So you advising people don't cop these?
No, if you like them.
There you go. That's my baby. If you like them, cop what you like.
Alright, like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Sneaker Editions with a Z.
Say this, say go DJ, 'cause that's my DJ. Say go DJ, 'cause that's my DJ.